we have completed combination of errors. Combination of errors, you read error in sum, error in difference, error in product, error in quotient, and how to calculate the percentage error if a number contains power. Suppose z is equal to a to the power n. That we have completed. Today we have to discuss about and solve some numerical problems on the basis of last video. Just I am repeating the sum. Same thing, z is equal to a plus b. So what you wrote? Delta z. इसका क्या हुआ था? डेल्टा z is equal to anybody? Delta a plus delta b. That one is first. Then second one, z is equal to a minus b. So delta z is equal to a plus b. That means delta a plus delta b. Follow me bete. Follow me. Interesting. What you are observing? Here z is equal to a plus b. All of you, here z is equal to a minus b. Here you are taking two physical quantities जोड़े रहे, यहाँ दोनों फिजिकल क्वांटिटी यहाँ घटा रहा है, लेकिन एरर जो क्या देख रहे हैं, देखो एरर क्या देख रहा है, दोनों केस में एरर इज एडिटिव इन नेचर, माइनस नहीं रहा. So that's why we say error is always additive in nature. So first you apply that one. How can you solve the numericals? Okay, how can you solve the numericals? Can I erase? Suppose a is equal to 12.0 plus 0.1 centimeter, b is equal to 8.0 plus minus 0.2 centimeter. Okay, this one. While you write this one, in this manner you will write. Error may be positive or negative, but you will write both the case. But error is always positive. Sign you must give this one. What question is? Find a plus b and a minus b. Who can say? Find a plus b and a minus b. Who can say? Very simple. क्या करना है? Answer or solution you can say. Solution. A is this one. What is given? You write a in this way. Given a is equal to 12.0. 12.0, 8.0 means more accurate. That is significant number, not 12. 12 significant is 2. 12.0 significant number is 3. So mind it. So it is plus minus 0.1. Okay. B is equal to given. That you write. First what is given you must write. This is measurement of, suppose you can say it is length of A, लेंथ ऑफ बी. दोनों रॉड सपोज दिया गया, दोनों रॉड का लेंथ हो गया. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कैसे करेंगे? देखो a प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू क्या करना है बेटे? 12.0 प्लस 8.0 प्लस 0.1. ओके, 0.1 प्लस 0.2 प्लस माइनस. यू सी देखो कितना आया? सीधा इसका साथ इसको, इसका साथ इसको जोड़ना है, जोड़ना है. तो कैसे लिखें? 12.12 at 20. सो 20.0 प्लस माइनस जोड़ दो 0.3 सेंटीमीटर. आंसर ओवर. फर्स्ट वन इज ओवर. Then how can you subtract both a minus b? How can you find? So can I erase these points because it has written here? I have written here. Then how can you find the a minus b? A minus b, you just 12 0.0 minus 8.0, okay, but it is plus minus. Here is error is always this one. So 0.2 plus 0.1 centimeter. Okay, now what it is? 4.0 plus minus 0.3 सेंटीमीटर. क्या किए? ये ए का वैल्यू, ये बी का वैल्यू, बस यहाँ खाली माइनस कर दिए इसको, लेकिन इसको जोड़े. एरर जो है ऑलवेज एडिटिव, हम बार बार रिपीट कर रहे हैं. यहाँ जोड़ना है, यहाँ माइनस नहीं करना, लेकिन माइनस टाइम में इसको माइनस कर देना, प्लस टाइम में इसमें खाली जोड़े थे. ओके, देन अनदर क्वेश्चन इज mass of the two bodies while you are measured. Two bodies, suppose mass of one is suppose 25.2 plus minus 0.001 gram. M2 is so 27.1 plus minus 0.003 gram. So find the sum. Anybody who can say m plus b, m1 plus m2 as per the error in the measurements. ये दोनों को जोड़ देना सीधा. बोलो, 2 1 हम डायरेक्ट कर दे रहे हैं. 2 1 3 हुआ, 7 5 12, 2 2 हो गया इतना. अरे जोड़ना है और इसको जोड़ देना, यहाँ प्लस माइनस देना, और 4 हुआ. समझ में आया ना? नहीं समझे? सीधा जोड़ना जैसे जोड़ते हो एरर में, ऐसे करना. बट माइनस अगर आ गया, थोड़ा सा देखो, तुम लोग दूसरा बनाएंगे, लेकिन हम ऐसे करना. तो इसमें क्या है, इसका साथ इसको माइनस करो, क्योंकि नेगेटिव साइन ही लेना है. इससे इसको माइनस करेंगे, लेकिन इसका साथ इसको जोड़ेंगे. वो पॉइंट रहा, इससे माइनस करेंगे, जितना आएगा. कितना आया? 27.1 माइनस 25.2 कितना हुआ? 11. कितना हुआ? कितना आया? बस इतना हुआ. बस यहाँ आ गया 1.9 प्लस माइनस 0.004. ओके. प्रोडक्ट केस, इन द क्वोशेंट केस सेम थिंग. जैसे आप जोड़ना और घटाना सीखे, सम और डिफरेंस, इस तरह क्वोशेंट और डिवीजन में इस तरह. देखो, सपोज आप एक स्फीयर लिए, स्फीयर का जो परसेंटेज एरर ऑफ रेडियस ऑफ ए स्फीयर इज गिवन 2%. ये गिवन, यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट वॉल्यूम. क्वेश्चन पहले सुन लो, हम नहीं लिख रहे हैं, नोट्स में दे देंगे. वो क्या है? इफ द error in the measurement of radius of a sphere is 2%. Find the volume of the sphere in measurement. Error in the measurement. So volume of a sphere is how much? Solution bete. Anybody? We know V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So in percentage error that I have told, very easy, delta V by V into 100 is equal to a constant term. So you will neglect that one. This is 3 into delta R by R into 100. So that is given 3 into, it is given 2%, so it is 6%. Answer. देखो बेटे, जो समझ गया इतना लिखोगे 3 मार्क. कुछ है नहीं. जो चीज़ दिया हुआ था बोले थे, डेल्टा जो लेटर दिया गया, डेल्टा V बाई V, यहाँ पावर है, पहले 3 लिखोगे, डेल्टा R बाई R इंटू 100, इट इज गिवन 3 इंटू ओवर. नेक्स्ट, रिपीटिंग द सेम. सपोज यू आर टेकिंग ए क्यूब, जो लूडो डाइस यू आर टेकिंग. सपोज उसका मास दिया हुआ, मास दिया हुआ, इन एरर इन द मेजरमेंट सपोज 2%, साइड इज गिवन, error in the measurement you are getting. Okay, find the density of that cube. Find the density of that. You are taking cube, that means dice. Its mass is in the mirror of measurement of mass is 2%, and length of that side length is 3%. While you are measuring, okay, you are getting the error in the measurement. So how can you find the density of that cube in the error of a measurement? Density is equal to density is equal to mass by volume. Rho is equal to m by v. इसको पढ़ा जाता है रो. जिसको रो नहीं आता है आप d लिख सकते हो. d फॉर डेंसिटी नो प्रॉब्लम. d इज इक्वल टू आप जैसे लिखो m by v. यहाँ v अर्थ कितना हुआ? m by l क्यू. m by l क्यू वॉल्यूम, लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट ही वो रेक्टेंगुलर ब्लॉक का, साइड का साइड इंटू साइड, क्यूब का साइड इंटू साइड इंटू साइड. छोटा छोटा चीज आपको याद करना है. तो इतना हो गया. इसका परसेंटेज एरर इन द मेजरमेंट डेल्टा डी बाय डी इंटू 100 इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा एम बाय एम इंटू 100 प्लस 3 इंटू डेल्टा एल बाय एल इंटू 100. देखो कितना इजी है. यहाँ डिवाइड था ना, यहाँ डिवाइड था, ये ऊपर गया माइनस होना चाहिए, लेकिन पहले से हम बोले क्या, ये ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, सो पॉजिटिव हुआ. यहाँ पावर है वो पहले रहेगा. सो डेल्टा एम बाई एम इंटू 100 इट इज गिवन. सो दिस इज 2%. 3 इंटू दिस इज हाउ मनी 3%. सो कितना हुआ 2% प्लस 9% is equal to 11%. This is the error in the measurement of a side while you calculate the density of a cube. Okay, this is the way how to calculate. Then another one. Those are writing, please write quick. For starting, after reading the question, collect the data, then see whether the system of units are in same units or not, or same units or not. Third one is if they are not same units, you have to convert it into same units. Then you have to apply the particular suitable formula, then you calculate. But at last, don't forget to write the units in calculation. Okay, let us start. What is given? What is given? Given P is equal to 2 pi square root of L by G. On squaring both sides, we get P square is equal to 4 pi square L by G. We calculate this one. So, GT square is equal to 4 pi square L. So, G is equal to 4 pi square L by T square. So, how can you write? You write here delta G by G into 100 is equal to delta L by L into 100 plus 2 into delta T by T into 100. This is the process you have to write in this manner. Put the value. What is given? Suppose this is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third equation. Then you see what is given. Second point is try to collect the data. After reading the questions, you try to understand in your mother tongue also. It will better for your understanding if you will convert it into your mother tongue. Then what is given? Given is L is equal to 20.0 centimeter. Delta L is equal to 1 millimeter, that is 0.1 सेंटीमीटर. ये मिलीमीटर में था, ये सेंटीमीटर में था, इसको कन्वर्ट किए और दैट इज T इज इक्वल टू फॉर 100 ऑसिलेशन 90 सेकेंड. Delta T is equal to, I think it is one resolution is given, so that is delta T is equal to 1 second. Now everything you have to put in equation 3, because in the accuracy question is what is the accuracy in the determination of small g. So what will do, you have to put here, I am doing this one, is equal to delta L by L, delta L 20.0 by 0.1 into 100 plus 2 into delta T 1 by 90 T 90 into 100. बेटे जो सब दिया हुआ था हम उसको वही इक्वेशन में पुट किए और कुछ नहीं किए. सो अभी इसको कैलकुलेट करो, तो कैलकुलेट करो हाउ मच यू आर गेटिंग. दैट वन इज, इफ यू कैलकुलेट दिस वन इज 0.5 plus 2.22. You calculate this one and you will get 0.5. This one is value, this one 20 by this one, 20 by this one, 1 by 10, 200 by this one. So if it becomes 100 by 200. So 100 by 200 is how much? This one 0.5. Then this one if you will calculate, you are getting 2.22. 2.22. So now how much you are getting? 2.72%. So if you do the round up that I have already taught, so it becomes nearly equal to 3%. Okay, in this way you have to calculate in the accuracy of the determination of small g. Okay, thank you. In this numerical, what is given? Two registers of resistances R1, this 100 plus minus 3 ohm, and R2 200 plus minus 4 ohm are connected in series and parallel. I think you have read in class 10th series combination, parallel combination. When two resistances are connected in series, Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. But when they are connected in parallel, that is the reciprocal, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Now question is, how can you know? Ohm, you know, ohm is the unit of resistance. First, resistor is a device that you will go through the other videos. You can better understand for theory, but it is numerical. It is in that previous numerical we solved how it is connected in series. Suppose Z is equal to A plus B, delta Z is equal to delta A plus delta B. So how can you solve? Solution. Question is, find the equivalent resistance in each case. So given, what is given? R1, how much? 100 plus minus 3 ohm. R2, 200 plus minus 3 ohm. Now first one is Rs. When resistances are connected in series, Rs, so that is R1 plus R2. So direct, no need to write. You can write again also 100 plus 200 plus minus that is how much it is? 4. So 3 plus 4. So that is 300 plus minus 7 ohm over. This one is, first one is when two resistances are connected in this much. So you are getting 300 plus minus 7 ohm when they are connected in series. Okay, first part is over. Can I erase parallel? When they are connected in parallel, 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So you can write R1, R2, R1 plus R2. So better Rp is equal to R1, R2 by R1 plus R2. Right? First This is the formula. I simplified this one and इसको उल्टा दिए रेसिप्रोकल 1/rp था 1/2 को ऐसे कर दिए तो ये भी उल्टा जाएगा तो उल्टा गया तो R1 का वैल्यू लिखना R1 वैल्यू कितना हुआ R1 R2 अभी निकाले so how much it is coming so it is R1 R2 so it is 200 divided by simplify on simplifying this one you will get 200 by 3 200 by 3 you will get 66.7 ohm. I am not simplify you will simplify it is given the number the value you are getting here R1 is given R2 is given you will put and you will simplify this one so you will get this one in parallel combination. Okay, now percentage error very interesting and difficult also if you will not understand follow this one written when you are writing Z is equal to A by B how you are writing the percentage error you see so delta Z by Z into 100 is equal to delta A by A plus delta B by B into 100 in percentage error we have already read but here what we will do you will do in this manner as it is 1 by R1 so value how can you get that value delta RP by RP square is equal to delta R1 by R1 square plus delta R2 by R2 square as it is percentage so we will multiply 100. Okay, now what you will do you put the value delta RP you will calculate so RP square into delta R1 by R1 square plus RP square into delta R2 by R2 square into 100. This is the formula. First you must know the formula and write the formula then put the value. So how much you are getting that one 66.7 square that RP you have already got here is 100 so better you take that one is 100 square so 100 square it is also into that value is how much in error so that is 3 so it is 3 that value is 3 plus 66.7 by first one is 200 this one okay into 4 पहले समझो जो वैल्यू दिया हुआ था R1 100 प्लस माइनस 3 ओम आई थिंक इतना था ना नहीं हाँ देन R2 200 प्लस माइनस 4 ओम it is error it is measured value true value so R1 means u when you will use the delta so you have to use this one so for delta one this one देखो इसको कैसे सजाए यहाँ जो नहीं समझा देखो RP बाय R1 स्क्वायर की है यहाँ इसको ये टोटल ओके फिर RP बाय R2 स्क्वायर किए यहाँ जो था ये इतना हो गया डेल्टा R1 प्लस यहाँ कितना हो गया ये कितना हो गया इनटू डेल्टा R2 तो समझे तो इसका स्क्वायर हो गया ये इनटू डेल्टा R1 हुआ ये डेल्टा R1 ये डेल्टा R2 ये डेल्टा R2 हुआ आओ RP का वैल्यू ऑलरेडी वी हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट 66.7 बस ऑन सिंप्लीफिकेशन दैट वन यू आर गेटिंग दैट वैल्यू इज 1 point on simplification 1.8 8 ohm. Now that value is how much? That value is delta Rp is equal to वो जो वैल्यू मिला था 66.7 प्लस माइनस 1.8 ohm. This is the answer. Any doubt you can ask? Formula you must know. Okay. Thank you.